Hey, this is Alas, and for this video, I will show you how to farm Cron efficiently. Pero ano nga ba ang Cron? Ang Cron ay ang in-game currency sa Rohan 2 at ginagamit mo para mag-enhance, mag-craft ng items at materials para maging ready ka sa mas mataas sa level ng maps. At ngayon, punta na tayo sa 7 ways on how to farm Cron. Ang first way is main quest. Kaya dapat tapusin mo yung main quest mo kasi bawat tapos neto may Cron reward. For main quest, ganito lang yung mechanics neto. Pumili ka ng quest and finish the quest at i-claim na yung reward. Second way naman is sub-quest. Same lang din siya sa main quest pero mas maikli lang to. Sa every map meron din neto. Ang sub-quest is same lang ang mechanics neto. Pili lang ng quest, finish the quest lang to gain Cron and other rewards. And the third way is request quest. Piliin mo lang yung malalaki yung bigay na reward. Check mo lang isa-isa. Check mo din kung kaya mo tapusin yung quest. May limit to 10 quests per day. So choose wisely. Same lang din sa request quests, no? Piliin mo lang yung quest na malaki yung rewards, then tapusin mo lang yung quest at i-claim yung rewards. Meron palang auto-questing mode tong Rohan, so pumili ka lang ng mga quest mo, then automatic quest mode na siya. Remember, accept requests within your CPR level range lang. Fourth way is missions, daily missions, weekly missions, and monthly missions. Magkakaiba yung reward scale nito, pero same dynamics lang. Ang common missions lang naman is enhancing equipments, crafting items, dismantling gears, completing quests, and defeating monsters. So, ito lang yung kadalasang pinapagawa sa mga missions, no? So, madali lang to. I-check mo lang yung details at huwag kalimutang i-claim ang rewards. Ang rewards per mission is, sa daily mission is 10k Cron each mission. Weekly missions is 30k Cron each. Then, sa monthly missions ay 50k Cron each. The fifth way naman is achievement. Dito naman sa achievements is parang milestones to. Ito yung mga kadalasang kailangan para makatapos ang achievements. First is character level, then dungeon clear, monster kills, equipment progressions, and collection objectives. Basically, natatapos mo to along character progression, no? Don't forget to check and claim. The sixth way is Temple of Greed dungeon. So, sa Temple of Greed, may mga stages to, no? Depende sa level. Mas maraming mobs na mapapatay, mas malaki ang reward. Pero, may time limit. Tapos, meron akong mga nababasa na mas malaking reward sa one stage lower kasi mas mabilis mapatay yung monsters, no? Pero subukan natin tapos compare natin yung rewards. First na subukan natin yung stage is yung ka-level natin na stage. And after yung stage 3 or yung ka-level natin na stage, subukan naman natin yung one stage lower, no? Yung pang level 31. Ginamit ko pala yung auto fight lang dito. Para dito sa character ko, stage 3 ang mas malaki ang reward. So, yun ang gagawin ko. And the seventh way is field monster farming, no? Dito nakukuha yung mga Cron drops, equipment drops na pwede mong gamitin, i-enhance o ibenta. Crafting materials gaya ng stones, dismantling materials para sa crystals, at collection items na nagbibigay ng stats at character growth. Dito sa field farming, okay kung piliin yung easy kill monster spot or areas. Common mistake that players do is just killing monsters for Cron and relying on item drops. So do these tips for sure Cron income. Remember, individual rewards seems small, but when you do it daily, may ipon at magiging malaki yan. And more importantly, it is stable income. So ulitin natin ang 7 ways to farm Cron efficiently. First is do your main quest. Second, sub-quests. Third is request quests. Then fourth is daily, weekly, and monthly missions. Fifth is achievement. Sixth is Temple of Greed dungeon. And seventh way is the field monster farming. Gawin mo tong mga to consistently at doon mo makikita yung totoong progress. Pero bakit importante lahat to? Kasi ang Cron ang simula ng buong chain. Cron papunta sa Ruby, tapos papunta sa Ruby X. Kaya kung stable ang Cron farming nyo, mas mabilis ang progress nyo sa laro at sa buong ecosystem. Walang Cron, mabagal ang lahat. Maraming Cron, mas mabilis. At sa susunod na video, papaliwanag ko ng buo ang Ruby X. Paano talaga ito naging asset at ano ang gagawin nyo dito. Again, this is Alas and this is my 7 ways on how to farm Cron efficiently. Thank you for watching.